Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Elina from Barbie Fairytopia in Dress to Impress VIP version. Okay, I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit, but my bad, my glitter sometimes is not showing up. I don't know what happened, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the items. First of all, you can choose this hairstyles and color it with this yellow color, light yellow. And then I'm going to move to the next area, the VIP room, and I'm going to choose this dress and make it glitter. You can change the toggle to glittery, and you're going to apply the pink color. You can copy my color code. You can apply this color to all selections or all previews. Okay, and I'm going to choose this heel and again color it with this pink color for all the reviews or all parts. Okay, and I'm going to move to this area from petal update. Choose this heel and remove socks, and you're going to apply the same pink color. Okay, it's done. And then I'm going to go to this area and choose this heels and again color it with the same pink color. Okay, and I'm going to use this wing and also this one, and you're going to color the first selection with the light pink, this one guys. And for the border, you're going to apply the dark pink, the same pink I applied to my dress and also my heel. Okay, and this is the result. And the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room and we're going to choose the coats item, choose the skirt, make it glitter, and you're going to color it with the pink color. Okay, just apply this pink. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the skirt area and choose the skirt, color it pink, and don't forget to make the material glitter. Okay, then I'm going to choose the skirt set and also the skirt, and again make it glitter and make it pink. Then you're going to choose the skirt, make it glitter and make it pink as well. Okay, I'm going to go to the color wheel and apply the same pink color to all the selections. Okay, it's done. And I'm going to go to this area, go back to this Valentine's update item and choose this one. And you're going to color it with this color for the first selection, color it with the same color as your skin tone. And for the second selection, you can color it pink. Okay, and I'm going to move to the necklace area and I'm going to choose this necklace. Okay, and I'm going to choose this one as well. Okay, it's done. Oops, sorry. All right, and the next one I'm going to put accessory. But wait, let me choose the butterfly here. I'm going to add butterfly as well to my outfit, and I'm going to color it with the same pink color. Okay, now let's move to the VIP room and I'm going to put on an accessory. It's here, and I'm going to color it with yellow color. Oops, wait. Okay, I'm just going to choose the yellow color for the first selection, the same color as my hair, and I'm going to apply this color except the fourth selection. For the fourth selection, I'm going to color with this pink color. Okay, it's done, and then I'm going to make the wings animated. Alright, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Elina from Barbie Fairytopia Mermaidia in Dress to Impress VIP version. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.